Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize insurance needs with Geico, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current insurance needs. Evaluate your existing coverage across all insurance types. Identify any gaps in your coverage that could leave you vulnerable. Consider your lifestyle and any changes that may impact your insurance needs. Gather your personal and vehicle information, including age, location, and driving history. Visit the Geico website to explore available insurance products. Use the online tools provided by Geico to get a personalized quote. Input your gathered information into Geico's quote calculator. Review the coverage options presented to you. Compare different policies and their costs. Assess optional coverage add-ons that may benefit your situation. Check for any available discounts that Geico offers. Select the policy that best fits your needs and budget. Finalize your application through Geico's online portal. Review the terms and conditions thoroughly before committing. Ensure that your coverage starts immediately upon approval. Keep track of your policy documents and renewal dates for future reference. Consider setting reminders for any changes in your circumstances that may require policy adjustments. Revisit your insurance needs annually or after significant life changes. Contact Geico's customer service for any assistance or questions throughout the process. Stay informed about insurance trends and updates from Geico to keep your coverage relevant. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your insurance needs with Geico. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.